Hey guys, today I just have my neighbor there. He's just gonna sit there. Today I'm doing my homemade squishy collection. These are all of them. I don't have a lot, and this one's just decoed, and these are just like ones that I kind of painted. Well, this one I didn't really paint or tear. It's actually my sister, and my stepsister filmed me. She didn't do that. This actually was her squishy. This is the one I thought Jackson got it for me, but I did paint it on the back. But yeah, I'm going to be showing you everything. So the first thing I have is this homemade squishy. It is supposed to be like a jelly donut. It's painted. And then I have this little homemade pencil squishy. It's supposed to be like the Aridi one. It's not Zarzing at all. But it does have a little crystal rising on it. But yeah, it's supposed to be a pencil. Then I have this decoed Shopkins donut. It's a pencil topper. And it's really cracking. It's because it was made with acrylic paint. Now I have this little red squishy. Back has a little face. Then I have this half of
Squishy Mania!
And we're doing the squishing! That was my dad. This is actually one of my album squishies.
That was in
yeah,
one of your videos.
Squishy. Then I have this really big bread squishy. It was made out of neck pillow. I actually learned this from my stepsister. This is the rest of the neck pillow. It's a huge croissant. I need to paint it like a more brownish color. It's really big. It's really hard to squish. How big? You can probably make it into a headband. And yeah, so make sure you subscribe, comment down below. Hashtag Squishy Squad.
And
And
I'm
also
not
comment
a
down
girl,
below
guys.
if you want me to fill a full
I am not a girl, I am a boy. I am a boy.
Stop it, please. And also, just peace.